Attorney Galicia, you have heard the testimony of Guo Huaping alias Alice. She made mention that she signed this document way before she left the country. Kayo ho yung nadidiin dito more than anyone. And in the affidavit that we got here, kayo ho yung nakapirma at nakalagay po doon, and I will pound it again, subscribe and sworn before me. Narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni alias Alice, narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni Kath, ni Miss G, at ni Cheryl. Siguro marapat lamang, Attorney Galicia, na marinig po namin kayo sa pagkakataong ito.
Attorney Galicia, briefly please, if you can address the question of Senator Joel.
Biktima po ako. I am invoking my right against self-incrimination po. The matter had already
Attorney,
been
please.
Biktima
Please
po
don't
kayo?
take the track of Guo Huaping. Ang mas mabuti po ay sagutin nyo ng makatotohanan yung mga tanong namin. Please, return to the question of Senator Joel.
Again, Your Honor, I'm invoking my right against self-incrimination because that will tend to incriminate against me, Your Honor.
All right. SP pro tempore.
Just one last thing, Madam Chair.
All right, one last,
Sabi po
Senator
ni
Joel.
Alice, alias Alice, pinirmahan niya ito way before she left the country. Sabi ni Kat, pinatawagan si Cheryl para alamin kung sino ang pwedeng abogado na papayag sa gusto nila na magnonotaryo ng isang public document. Nakita man, hindi nakita, anuman laman ng dokumento, inonotarize niya. At ang nakalagay po doon ang inyong pangalan. Muli po, Attorney Galicia, binibigyan po kayo ng Senado ng pagkakataon. You owe it to yourself, you owe it to your family, you owe it to the Filipino people. Alam niyo po ba ang mga pinagagagawa niyo when you affix your signature? Again, in the public document that's here before us, it says there's sworn, subscribed, and sworn before me. At dito ho, napatunayan na lahat na ng dokumento, gabundok na dokumento, gabundok na mga testimonya, sinasabing wala na si Alice Guo. At mismong si alias Alice, sinabing pirmahan niya ito way before she left the country. Muli po, binibigyan po namin kayo ng huling pagkakataon, Attorney Galicia, para marinig ang inyong panig, Attorney Galicia.
I will be, Your Honorable Senator, I'm maintaining what I declared before and the result of the executive session that we had.
All right, Attorney. Senator Joel, thank you.
Then, Madam
Please.
Chair, we don't have any other choice but to bring out the information that was given to us before, Madam
And
Chair.
actually, Senator Joel, Attorney Galicia, itong mga bagong facts na itinatanong din sa inyo, lumabas na po in open hearing. Hindi lamang dun sa executive session. So, may I remind you, you are obliged to respond. You are continuing to be under oath before this committee, Attorney Galicia. Please, one
Because,
more
Madam
chance
Chair,
to address the question of
because, Madam
Senator
Chair,
Joel.
it would
before I
appear
continue my
now,
questions.
because you're the one invoking whatever right you wanted to invoke, and we are only looking for the truth. You are now saying, Madam Chair, that you have been lying to this committee the whole time. In his first appearance in this honorable committee, Madam Chair.
Attorney Galicia, please, be as frank as you can be sa komiteng ito. Kasi talagang lumabas na, sinabi na ng DOJ, lumabas na sa mga findings namin, yung mga dokumento will prove by Guo Huaping's own answer earlier, umalis siya sa bansa bago pa na draft ng law firm ni na attorney ko yung counter affidavit at ikinabit lang ni Ms. Kath yung signature page. So, what can you say for yourself, Attorney Galicia?
Your Honor, I am again maintaining the confidentiality of the executive session and I'm invoking my right against self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Well, I'm very sorry to hear that, Attorney Galicia, kasi tinatanong lang sa inyo namin ni na Senator Joel yung mga bagay na lumabas na dito in open hearing.